Hi everyone, welcome to Essay Share classes. Today in this video, construct a quadrilateral PQRS in which PQ equal 3.5 cm, QR equal 5.5 cm, QS equal 5.5 cm, PS equal 4.5 cm and SR equal 4.5 cm. So let us construct this quadrilateral PQRS. First of all, roughly drawing here the quadrilateral PQRS. So first drawing QS, then completing the quadrilateral by this way, and next I will use this concept. So now drawing a line segment of length 3.5 centimeter, then drawing two line segment of length 4.5 centimeter. So this one also 4.5 centimeter. Next, drawing two line segment of length 5.5 centimeter. So this one also 5.5 centimeter. Perfect. Now this one is PQ equal 3.5 centimeter and this one PS equal 4.5 centimeter and this one SR equal 4.5 centimeter. Next, QR equal 5.5 centimeter and QS equal 5.5 centimeter. Okay, so now using this concept, so first drawing QS equal 5.5 centimeter. So labeling QS, so this is 5.5 centimeter. Next, drawing PQ, so measuring the length of PQ 3.5 and putting the compass on the point Q and drawing here an arc. Next, drawing PS, so measuring the length PS equal 4.5 and cut here. Okay, so both the arc meet at a point, so labeling P. Next, drawing QR, so measuring the length QR 5.5 and drawing here an arc. And last, drawing SR or RS equal 4.5 and putting the compass on the point S and cut here. So leveling here R. Okay, now first joining P and Q, then joining PS. Okay, next joining Q and R. So joining Q and R. Next joining SR to complete our required quadrilateral PQRS. So PQ equal 3.5 centimeter, PS equal 4.5 centimeter, QR equal 5.5 centimeter and SR equal 4.5 centimeter. So that's all. Thanks for watching.